Hello there. My name is Steve, the CEO of Afya Dynamics. And in the next 5 minutes, I want to take you through how Afya Dynamics can be utilized to take your facility to the next level. I'll take you through the processes from when a patient walks in to when a patient leaves your facility and how Afya Dynamics can be used to manage all the workflows in your facility. We start off by registering the patient, taking in their name, date of birth, phone, sex, residence. Then, we key in their next of kin details and their relationship with the patient. Next, we input their Taifa care details, that is their SHA and shift numbers. Then, we add the visit details, including the visit type, and we can attach the visit to a consultant or corporate for billing purposes. Once the patient is registered, it is the nurse's turn to triage the patient. Patient vitals are taken and input into the system. The blood pressure, pulse, respiration, SpO2, temperature, sugar levels, height and weight are input. Then the allergies, chronic illnesses and social history of the patient is input. Then the patient is sent into the doctor's office. Here, the doctor enters the clinical notes and review of systems in an interactive interface. The doctor can also use custom structured visit notes which can be preset on the system. On the Afya system, you can set up packages which are a collection of tests, services and inventory that are ordered together and billed once. Example, a male wellness package. Also, the doctor can conduct clinical examinations on the system and order investigations, tests, and other services straight from the patient file. The Afya Dynamics system is integrated with ICD-11 from the WHO. The doctor can track and enter multiple diagnoses using ICD-11 and literally be able to report on every disease known to man. The Afya Dynamics system is designed to track every revenue point and bill done to a patient. The patient bill is filled as services are ordered and drugs prescribed. Services ordered can be approved by finance and payment taken in cash, card or mobile money straight from Afya Dynamics. The invoices and receipts are available for print in both A4 and 80mm with the facility branding. Dynamics boasts of a fully kitted laboratory module. Tests can be processed from the lab as soon as they are approved. Tests can be accessioned, specimen collected, and reported using a wide array of custom templates. Reports can be generated in PDF and printed using the facility's branding. Pharmacy orders, that is prescriptions, are handled end-to-end on the AfyaDynamics platforms. Labels for drugs can be printed and orders can be filled according to the inventory at hand. AfyaDynamics handles all the inventory management with tracking of inventories, stores, stock movements, transfers and adjustment. The system also tracks drugs nearing expiry and out of stock inventories. The system is also effective in managing inpatient departments with patient tracking, ward and bed allocations baked into the system. We can also manage appointments and schedulings for patients and staff with an interactive notification system to the patient and doctor via email, SMS, and WhatsApp. AfyaDynamics is also essential in managing procurement processes in the facility. On AfyaDynamics, you can save suppliers and get their statements. The procurement process is also very well optimized, starting with internal requisitions, external requisitions, purchase orders, bills, receiving, and bill payments. A system without reports is not worth its weight in code. AfyaDynamics gives administrators reports for the performance of each department. Financial reports are also included with the trial balance, income statement, balance sheet, statement of cash flows, and both supplier and customer aging reports. AfyaDynamics also offers various clinical reports, including inpatient and outpatient visit reports, diagnosis reports, and statutory reports from the Ministry of Health, including MMH 705A and 705B. AfyaDynamics also boasts of a complete HR module with the storing of employees and their biodata, payroll generation, leave requests and approval, advance management, and staff scheduling. AfyaDynamics gives you an easy-to-use, optimized platform for management of your employees, making sure you stay ahead of your statutory deductions and HR policies. On AfyaDynamics, we give you the full settings access to manage your facility effectively. You can manage your users and their access permissions on the system with a wide array of settings. User activity is also tracked on the system to enhance accountability in input of data. AfyaDynamics also works with various other tools, and we're integrated to allow you to connect to tools you use in your workflow.
Yeah, obviously 5 minutes wasn't enough, and I couldn't show you all the features that we have built onto AfyaDynamics. If you'd like to learn more, kindly contact us through the numbers or email on your screen, and let one of our representatives come and show you how the systems work with no rush, and we answer as many of your questions as possible. Again, thank you for viewing this demo, and I hope to hear from you soon.